Hi guys, it's Alex McCarthy here from Startin SKODA in Powick. What I've got in front of us is this brand new SKODA Scala. It's only been out now for about 6-7 months, so it's not many of them about, so we do have a couple in stock, so don't hesitate to get them before they're all gone. Anywho, this is a 1.5 SE automatic, so that comes with the DSG direct shift gearbox. As you can see, it's got the full LED headlights, it's got upgraded alloys, and comes in the lovely race blue. And if I just pan up to the roof, yes, you can see a black roof, but that is in fact a pan glass roof, which opens all the way back. So if you've got kids who sit in the back and keep them quiet, open that and they can see the stars at night. Comes with rear sensors as well, and also has the lovely finish on the back where the glass comes down halfway down. And one thing I will quickly show you, in fact, is the new indicators we do have on the back, which we have inherited from the VW group because we are part of that. So yeah, they just run along. If I jump on inside, so as you can see, there's the automatic. Also has your auto lights down below. If I just jump in, this car literally only has just over 4,000 miles on the clock. Comes with a touchscreen display there with a phone connection, and also comes with the app, which stands for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. With your temperature gauges with the aircon, and there's your automatic gearbox. And as promised, I would show you panoramic sunroof, all the way from the front, all the way to the back, and really easy to close with 2 dials here. And as you can see there, the SOS button. So every car is now homologated to have SOS buttons inside for your safety. And also comes with the Scala mats. If you'd like to know more about this car, about our finance offers, or would like to come down and have a drive and see the car, just let me know. I'm Alex McCarthy. Our telephone number is 01905 830 361. Thank you very much.